Puppy care do's and don'ts. When it comes to raising a puppy, there are certain things you should avoid to ensure their well-being, safety, and proper development. Here are some things you should not do with your puppy.
Physical punishment. Never resort to physical punishment or harsh methods to discipline your puppy. This can cause fear, anxiety, and aggression in the long run. Positive reinforcement and reward-based training methods are more effective and humane.
Neglecting socialization, failing to socialize your puppy can lead to behavior problems later in life. Expose them to various environments, people, animals, and situations in a controlled and positive manner to help them become well-adjusted adults.
Allowing inappropriate chewing. Puppies explore the world through their mouths, and chewing is a natural behavior. However, it's crucial to provide appropriate chew toys and discourage them from chewing on furniture, shoes, or other valuable items. Redirect their chewing behavior to acceptable object. Neglecting socialization, failing to socialize your puppy, can lead to behavior problems later in life. Expose them to various environments, people, animals, and situations in a controlled and positive manner to help them become well-adjusted adults.
Allowing unsupervised interactions with unfamiliar dogs. Until your puppy is fully vaccinated and socialized. Avoid unsupervised interactions with unknown dogs or in environments where infectious diseases might be present, and vaccinated puppies are more susceptible to illnesses. Overfeeding or inadequate nutrition. Avoid overfeeding your puppy, as it can lead to obesity and related health issues. Follow the recommended feeding guidelines provided by your veterinarian, and choose a high-quality, age-appropriate diet to ensure proper growth and development. Skipping veterinary care. Regular veterinary checkups, vaccinations, and preventive care are essential for your puppy's health. Neglecting these can leave them vulnerable to diseases and health problems. Consult with a veterinarian to establish an appropriate healthcare schedule.
Leaving them unsupervised in dangerous environments. Puppies are curious and can get into trouble if left unsupervised in hazardous areas. Ensure your home is puppy-proofed by removing toxic substances, securing electrical cords, and blocking off potentially dangerous areas such as balconies or pool.
Neglecting exercise and mental stimulation. Puppies need physical exercise and mental stimulation to prevent boredom and promote overall well-being. Provide daily playtime, walks, and interactive toys to keep them physically and mentally engaged. Inconsistent or unclear rules. Establish consistent rules and boundaries from the beginning to avoid confusion. Inconsistent training can lead to behavioral issues and a lack of respect for your commands. Use positive reinforcement and reward-based training methods to reinforce desired behaviors. Neglecting grooming and hygiene. Regular grooming, including brushing, bathing, nail trimming, and dental care is essential for your puppy's health and comfort. Neglecting grooming can lead to skin problems, matting, and dental issues. Remember, raising a puppy requires patience, consistency, and lots of love. Providing them with proper care, training, and socialization will help set them up for a happy and well-adjusted life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.